Does this sound familiar to you? Poor quality work, lengthy turnaround times, and a little to no visibility into the status of your customer repairs? All of these things lead to unhappy customers, which affects your bottom line. On the other hand, the infrastructure and capital required to have an in-house repair shop can be very expensive. Here's what your average repair team looks like: a polisher, a setter, the kitchen assistant for cleaning, and a jeweler. According to ZipRecruiter, the national average salary for a jeweler is $51,000. So we're being generous here. But a 4-person team is the minimum you need for a repair shop, not including a shop manager. That's easily adds up to approximately $300,000 to $400,000 per year, not including material costs. That's why jewelers who outsource their work instead of keeping it in-house save on average of $400,000 per year. And that's just assuming you have a 4-person team. Here's some more good news. Over 85% of jewelers who offer repairs and additional customization services increase their profits anywhere from 50% to 100%. Our mission at Quick Jewelry Repairs is to set the industry standard by intertwining technology with over 40 years of fine jewelry experience. Quick Jewelry Repairs is a fine jewelry repair house with an innovative and transparent customer service platform. We source our own raw materials of gold, silver, and platinum and partner them with diamonds or gemstones to repair jewelry. In accordance with both the Kimberly Act and RJC standards, we use only 100% recycled metal and responsibly sourced stones. Our company has invested heavily in its infrastructure to ensure the highest quality standards. Our specialized skills include cast contracting, setting, finishing, as well as repair services such as ring sizing, stone replacement, jewelry work, engraving, appraisals, enameling, watch repair. In addition to repairs, we have the in-house capability to produce jewelry by utilizing our custom design studio and the latest 3D technology. We also offer drop shipping to help expedite your repairs to your end customer. Our company is committed to improving your customer experience with 1 to 2 business day turnaround times, high-end quality craftsmanship, and a comprehensive and user-friendly online repair tracking system. By partnering with us, you'll substantially lower your overhead and have complete visibility and control over all of your repairs. We can work with jewelry retailers of any size, regardless if you have your own repair shop, use an outside repair shop, or don't have any repair support at all. To sweeten the deal, we're offering 3 repairs on the house. So reach out to us today to see how we can work together.